Hello, folks. Well, I was just asked by Rick Braby, the Sibley Golf Club manager, if I could make a video of this glow ball golf event with one of my drones. Never heard of that. Well, it sounded easy enough, being the original night flyer, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. What I found out was the DJI Spark drone took better videos than the Unique 500 drone in the dark, even with the 4K camera. I had no idea where the camera on a drone was even aimed. But nonetheless, gave it a go, and this is how it went. I do know it seems that all the participants were having way too much fun. So first, here's a dust demonstration by Linnell Thiner, who is also playing in the tournament. That way you can see a little better what's going on before the action actually starts. Here we go.
Yep. Nice. Very nice. Good ball, Larry. You shoot better in the dark than you do during the day. Oh, it went out! Oh, no, it didn't go out. How come I didn't see it? It was like halfway down there. Good ball. Come on, Ben, get in the hole! Get in the hole! Come on, Ben. That's right. In the hole. That's right. Goal. Shot. Ouch! Got me right in the back. Right in the kidney. Get in the hole! That's good. That's good. Stop. Oh, yeah. There's no time.
There's no audio, is there?
In the hole! She gonna be short. Maybe.
It's in there.
Nice job. Actually, you know what though? Like,
We're putting.
Oh, look at those guys. Good thing you can't see your face. And there they go to the next hole. I think they're having a pretty good time, don't you? Well, thanks a lot for watching, folks, and thanks to Ilea for her assistance and to all the participants who I can't name because I never saw any of them. Well, I think this is going to be a regular event, as everybody was sure having fun. So stay tuned for next year.